lot of color. Look at all that color just coming in. I've been out walking my block, getting extra steps in. Yesterday I got like 18,000 steps, just over 18, which is cool. But yeah, your girl's getting color. Look at all that color. But listen, I am Shay. If you're new here and it's your first time to see face, I am Shay with the pow. Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you hit that like button. Support your girl. And also make sure you post notifications when I post my video.
So listen, as far as today, y'all already know. Ibotta they got me on extended learning. Like that ass. With the Chromebook and everything. Like this bonus is another terrible one. 15 for $1. Sucks. So definitely you're not gonna even we're not even thinking about it. Like we have a larger bonus, and for that I need 50 offers per usual for $10. That bonus is called the Fairway Fortune bonus, and it's good until the 11th. So that of course is not going to happen either. So yeah, so that's what we're working with as far as today. I mean, that's like working with nothing. We ain't working with nothing. Okay, the goal today is to get what's cheap, what's free, what's moneymaker. Okay, that is the goal for today. So it's not going to be a big haul. I don't expect it to be, at least. I just barely put together my Google Doc while I was at the gym this morning. So we're going to see if we can make some things work today. Now, I did want to mention my last video about my closest Walmart banning me from self-checkout. I haven't been back, y'all. I haven't been back. This will be my first day back since they banned me. And so I don't know how it's gonna go. Part of me wants to be petty as hell and do it anyways, but the other part is like, well, Shay, what if they ban you from the whole store? Then you're gonna be having to drive an extra 10 minutes to go to another store. I don't want that. And I don't like confrontation. I like to keep things cool with the people that I deal with the most. And so I got a lot of comments, a lot of input from you guys.
Don't go there. Go there. Contact corporate. They can't do that. They can do that.
And so yeah, we're gonna see what happens today. The other thing I wanted to mention was I did see somebody post on Instagram that the Rockstar promotion is back. It started May 1st. It goes, I think, for 5 months. And they did make a lot of changes. I was trying to read through some of the the terms and conditions or whatever. And so this time I'll pop up a screenshot, y'all. Look, they excluded every single store that we was getting them from. Dollar Tree, because that's exactly where I was gonna go first. They exclude Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target, Vons, pretty much all of the grocery stores, Food for Less. They exclude Rite Aid, but they don't exclude CVS. I didn't see CVS and I didn't see Walgreens. So I may try it. I'm not really sure, to be honest. Like, I still have some from last time. I probably still have a good case and a half. 24 is a case. So I have, yeah, that's what I have left. And so I probably won't do it. You do have to buy 3 to get back 5 this time around as well. And so with that being said, because I've been talking enough, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
So this first deal they don't have. I didn't necessarily expect them to have any because I got what was the last of it the last time that I did this deal on the body armor. They're priced at $2.38, getting back $2 on Ibotta. It's a limit of 1 this time around though, making it only 38 cents. All right, so this next deal is on the Purcell. It's priced at $5.44, grabbing 2 of them, using 2 of the $2 peelies. You end up paying $6.88, getting back $2 for each on Ibotta. There's also $2.50 for buying 2 on Swagbucks, making them 19 cents each. On Fetch is spend 30, get back 3. And so yeah, not a bad deal on Purcell. And of course, there's the Glade air fresheners. They're priced at $2.38, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, limit of 3, making them only 88 cents each. All right, next up is the Febreze. It's on the fabric spray on the go, priced at $2. I'm getting back $2 on Ibotta. We're also going to grab one for Walmart Rewards as well, making them both free. Because, like, why should you ever pay for this stuff, right? This next deal is on the Got to Be Curled. I saw Nicole, Couponing with Nicole on Instagram, post this deal. For this, you want to grab 2 of them, priced at $9.87. You'll end up paying $19.94, getting back $4 on Ibotta, plus $1 bonus for buying 2. There's also $5 on Swagbucks, and then a total of $2,530 kicks in the shop, with just $2.12, bringing them down to both free plus an 18-cent moneymaker. All right, and next up is the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. We're grabbing the Complete Care. I wonder why. Actually, this one is on rollback. I wonder if this one would work. I would much rather get this one because it's normally $5 versus normally $4. But this one went up in price. I don't know why, but it did. But grabbing one at $3.98, getting back $2 on Ibotta and $2 on Swagbucks makes this a 2-cent moneymaker. But I think I'm gonna grab this one right here. Let me see if it works first. Okay, so I scanned it. For Ibotta, it works. For Swagbucks, is not actually scanning, but I'm pretty sure it should work. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab it anyway. I hate the hassle. I'm just gonna grab this one. So I hate a hassle. I take that back. Neither one of them scans, so we're just gonna grab this one because if it's gonna be a hassle with that one, I might as well just get this one for the same hassle. And it is pictured, so it should work. So next up is the Hello Kids toothpaste. Now it has to be specifically on the shark one. Actually, I wasn't gonna do this deal, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. I'm always up to get, kids toothpaste. We're gonna grab 2 of them, priced at $5.22. We'll pay $10.44, getting back 3 on Ibotta, which is $1.50 for each one, and then $5 on Swagbucks for buying 2, bring them down to $1.22 each. And I did see Romy saves. All right, so I was gonna grab, well, maybe I wasn't gonna grab the Shea Moisture bars. The store doesn't have any. They're priced at $5.98. And then for this, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta and $3 on Fetch makes it $1.48. And so, yeah. All right. I totally forgot to do this deal. I saw Nicole post it and I wanted to do it. One of my customers loves the Axe. For those of you who resell, what is your #1 body wash sale? For me, it's actually, no, I'll say Dove and then Axe. And so I'm definitely going to grab this next time I go. Hopefully it's still available. And so, yeah, definitely thought I'd share. So this next deal is going to be the last couple deals we're going to go over. I saw Nicole post this on Instagram. She actually has it on sister apps. I don't have it on sister apps. I only have it on Checkout 51. So I'm going to grab one for Walmart Rewards, one for Ibotta. But the Ibotta offer is the same for both products, right? So it's on the Bosch and Loam Advanced Eye Relief. It's on the Dry Eye one, price at $6.42, getting back 5 on Ibotta. It does have a timer of 23 hours and then $3 back on Checkout 51. Makes it $1.58 moneymaker. On a separate transaction, we're going to be grabbing, where is it at? The Opcon A right here, which is priced at $6.48. Submitting that receipt to our doing Walmart Rewards for that one. And we'll use Joseph's Checkout 51 account. So it will end up making that one $1.52 moneymaker. And so, yeah. Not a bad deal. With that being said, I'll see you guys at home for the final break. All right, so I decided to do a voiceover. The thing I don't like about voiceovers is I feel short-winded. I feel like I'm trying to talk as fast as I can. But listen, so this is my complete haul for today. I didn't mention the Dollar Tree and more stuff in the front. I wanted to grab the Weathers. Those do qualify. You just have to read the description to see which ones qualify. And all of those did work. So it's buy 2, but I'm greedy and we grabbed 4. So $2.50 for 2, getting back $1.25 on Swagbucks for buying 2, makes them 62 cents each. Again, limit on that is 2, so I grabbed 4 on one receipt. And then the Tic Tacs, that was a limit of 2, grabbing 4 bags, but it is a limit of 1 now, grabbing 2 bags. So I grabbed 2 on Swagbucks yesterday, paying $2.50, getting back 3. It did go into review, but it did clear for me. And then 50 cents back on Checkout 51, which went through as well, making that $1 moneymaker. We grabbed a set yesterday for Swagbucks, a set today for My Points. And then the Snickers, that died. I posted it yesterday, and no sooner than I posted it, it was dead. $1.25 each, pay $2.50, get back $4.25 on Fetch. Made those $1.75 moneymaker, which is really cool. And so everything that you see here retails $56.16. We had $4 in coupons. Of course, we went to a regular register because we didn't have a choice. We paid $52.16 out of pocket. My sales tax was $4.38. Getting back $16 from Ibotta. Swagbucks was $12.50. Walmart Rewards was $9. My Points is $7.78. Checkout 51 was $7. Fetch Reward was $4.25. Getting back a total of $56.53 makes everything you see here free, plus a $4.37 moneymaker, which is not bad considering it was a really, really slow week for me. Other than that, I really appreciate you guys watching. If you did get to the end of the video, let me see emoji with teeth, okay? Because we got all this toothpaste. You could put candy in there too if you want, I guess. Ice cream if you want. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.